Look at that, brosis. Finally, it's running. Look at that, it's running. It's running. Ooh, look at that. Beauty. Look at that, it's beauty. That's the man. That's the man. That's the man who fixed it. This guy. This guy, he's the man. Look at that, he's coming now. Because there's a leak coming, there's a leak water line.
Say what?
His name is Clayton. He's the man. Alright? Look at that. He just fixed it. Look. It's running. You don't believe me? Here, look at that. This is the man behind the problem. Look at that. Where is it?
Say what?
How do you move the seat again?
There. That's smoke.
Are you with the reverse camera? It's still working.
It's still working. Show me, show me.
You look at that, the reverse camera.
That's good.
The man, it's the man. You don't want to miss my video? Make sure to ring that bell.
Say what?